I'm happy to come here to meet and interact with Sonata people. I understand Sonata Software is a leading company in using cutting-edge AI. You are designing intelligent ecosystem of the future for your customers. There is a lot common in work you and work my government is doing for our citizens. We are also working on modernization for the future. Let me share details of our work and give you an insight into our plans. For my government to help my stakeholders, farmers, women, youth, students, senior citizens have to support the industry and grow the economy. I am happy to share that we have attracted nearly 3 lakh crore investment since December 2023. We have created more than 1 lakh jobs in private sector. During my trips to the World Economic Forum in Davos and investor meets in the US, South Korea, Japan and Singapore, we have convinced the world that Telangana means business. This year to Davos, we have become a #1 state in attracting investments almost 1.78 lakh crores. We are #1 state in India in investments, both domestic and international. Hyderabad is now a GCC hub. In both software and life sciences, Hyderabad emerged as a leading hub for AI-ready data centers, life sciences and manufacturing sectors. IT giants like Microsoft, Cognizant, HCL Tech, Infosys and Wipro have all opened new campuses and are expanding. We are #1 state in policing and law and order according to Government of India report. In managing inflation, we are #1. In creating jobs, both government and private sector, we are #1. In tax collection, state-owned tax collections, we are #1 in India. We are doing India's largest entrepreneur funding and monitoring program, empowering 66 lakh women through self-help groups. With Rajiv Yuva Vikasam, we are going to fund lakhs of young entrepreneurs across verticals. We are first state to hire transgenders or third gender into Hyderabad traffic department. We are building a dry port and connecting it to Andhra Pradesh seaport with a dedicated road and railway corridor. We are building India's most planned city within Hyderabad that is called Bharat Future City. AI City will be part of it. We are building the Young India Skills University and Young India Sports University. We are building Young India integrated residential schools in 100 assembly constituencies, each one. And also, Miss World contest is happening in Hyderabad now, you know better than me. We will ensure more global events in coming days. This balance of growth, investment, creation of jobs, building great infrastructure, and welfare for all sections is our vision called Telangana Rising. But to achieve $1 trillion economy or to transform Hyderabad into the world's most amazing city, I need your support. We have to do it together, become brand ambassadors of Hyderabad, and showcase our achievements to the world. Thank you and best wishes to Sonata. Thank you.